Example 7.5. The length, breadth and height of the hall are 25 meter, 15 meter and 5 meter respectively. Find the cost of renovating its floor and 4 walls at the rate of rupees 80 per meter square. Okay, so from the given details we know the dimensions of the cuboid, that is length, breadth and height, that is L equal to 25 meter, breadth equal to 15 meter and height equal to 5 meter. Then here asked, find the cost of renovating its floor and then 4 walls alone, isn't it? No, that's why first we are taking this 4 walls. Area of 4 walls equal to LSA of cuboid. That means here see in this figure, this 4 walls, 1, 2, 3 and here one side. 4 walls only we are going to find. Okay, we are not going to consider this top and the bottom. So except top and bottom we are going to find. Except top and bottom means it is lateral surface area of cuboid. Okay, that's equal to 2 into L plus B into H square unit. Here also you have to mention that square unit. That's equal to 2 into, what's the measurement of L? 25 plus breadth 15 into height 5. Okay, that's equal to 2 into 25 plus 15, 40 into 5, 2 40s are 80 into 5, that's equal to 400 meter square. The next one here asked area of floor also. That's why we are taking area of floor. Floor means this will be, isn't it? No, already we saw in the formula floors having only length and breadth. There is no height dimension. Okay, that's why we are taking length and breadth alone. Length is 25 meter and the breadth is 15 meter. 25 into 15 equal to 375 meter square. Find the cost of renovating its floor and 4 walls. That means together, isn't it? No, that's why total renovating area of the hall equal to area of 4 walls plus area of the floor. We are adding these two. 400 plus 375 meter square, that's equal to 775 meter square. Then we knew that for renovating 1 meter square it's required 80 rupees. Okay, therefore cost of renovating at the rate of rupees 80 per meter square equal to, per meter square it's 80 rupees. That's why for 775 meter square it will be 62,000 rupees. Okay, so the total cost or the required cost equal to rupees 62,000. Example 7.4. Find the TSA and LSA of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 7.5 meter, 3 meter and 5 meter respectively. Solution. So by using the given measurements we have to construct one cuboid shape. Okay, then we have to mark the measurements. What is the measurement of length? 7.5 meter and then breadth is 3 meter and the height is 5 meter. Okay, so the given dimensions of a cuboid, we have to write this length, breadth and height. Then we know the formula to find the TSA as well as LSA. First TSA equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Here you have to mention that, here you have to write square unit. Okay, then write all the measurements in the applicable places. 2 into L 7.5 into B 3 plus BH 3 into H is 5 plus LH, L is 7.5 and then H is 5. While multiplying these two, 7.5 and 3, you are getting 22.5 plus 3 into 5, 15 plus 7.5 into 5, 37.5. While adding these and all, we are getting 75. 2 75s are 150 meter square. Here you have to write, therefore, total surface area. Have to write full form. Okay, surface area equal to 150 meter square. Then LSA equal to, you know the formula, 2 into L plus B into H. This is also square unit. Then write all the values in the applicable places. 2 into L is 7.5 plus B is 3 into H 5. That's equal to 2 into, while adding these two we are getting 10.5 into 5. That is 105 meters square. Here also you have to write, therefore lateral surface area equal to 105 meters square.